Sonlight is a Christ-centered, literature-based curriculum that includes everything you need to teach from preschool through high school. As the original literature-based homeschool curriculum, Sonlight has been helping families forge strong bonds and academic excellence for over 30 years, with a unique approach based on real books. Instead of replicating the school experience at home, a Sonlight education makes learning a joy and not a chore. Parents who thought they could never homeschool are delighted when they discover just how doable and effective Sonlight is. Literature-based homeschooling uses award-winning historical fiction, illustrated nonfiction, and gripping biographies as a centerpiece for learning. The Sonlight method provides both the context and the emotional connection that helps students grasp and retain history, science, vocabulary, and more. When you read well-written literature, historical figures become more than names. History becomes a personal experience, and your students' view of the world broadens. Even better, all of Sonlight's amazing books, subjects, and daily activities are scheduled for you in an instructor's guide. All you have to do is open and teach. The instructor's guides are structured enough to eliminate the need for lesson planning, but flexible enough to match your family's unique lifestyle. With Sonlight, you'll raise critical thinkers with a deep love for learning. As you study history together, you'll have many opportunities to discuss what you believe and why. It's an education without indoctrination. With Sonlight, your children will love to learn, and you'll love to teach. Guaranteed.